Hello friends, today let's ready to learn something very important in English, common nouns. Can you spot naming words around you right now? Here you can see an animal, person, person, things and a place. Mango and football are examples for things. Butterfly is an animal. Child is a person and house is a place. Now look at and find the things. Here are the things: football, mango, car, tree, chair, stones. Now you can see the persons or the people as common noun. Persons: soldier, doctor, sister, thief. These are the places. They are also a common noun. For example, classroom, house, beach, and hospital. Now look and find the animals. Animals: snail, flamingo, parrot, butterfly. Now it is time to find out common nouns around us. Now you can find person in the school: security guard, teachers, students, cleaners, principals. Next, move on to the pictures. Persons or people: security guard, teacher, students, cleaners. These are the list of things you can find in the school: table, whiteboard, rulers, desk and chairs, bags, flower vase, pens, pencils, books, computers. You can see the pictures now. Things: computers, books, pencils, pens, flower vase. Next, whiteboard, table, bags, rulers, desk and chairs. This is a list of places in a school: classroom, library, office, playground, canteen, laboratory, washroom, computer lab, guardroom. Now you can see the pictures of the places: classroom, laboratory, office, playground, washroom, canteen, library, computer lab. Here's the list of the animals you can see at home: dog, mosquito, gecko, spider, cockroach, ants, housefly, cats, Next, move on to the pictures. Animals: gecko, housefly, cockroach. Dog, cat, spider, ant. Do you know the people at home? Siblings, grandparents, parents, servants. Here are the persons: grandparents, parents, siblings. This is the list of things at home: electric equipments, furniture, cutlery, clothes, plates, broom, bulb, mosquito net. Now you see the things: plates, cutlery, broom, bulb, television, refrigerator, cupboard, clothes, mosquito net. Here things in the hospital: oxygen cylinder, mask, medicine, beds, gloves, wheelchairs, syringe, ambulance. Next, move on to the pictures. Syringe, face mask, stethoscope, medicine. Gloves, hospital bed, ambulance. Person in the hospital: patients, doctors, attendants, nurses. Persons: nurse, patient, doctor. So far, you have learned that any person, place, animal, or things are common noun. It is a name in word. See you in the next lesson, proper noun. Please subscribe for more videos.